I'm Tara, and I'm joined today with Kelly White, an inspector for AFS Foundation and Waterproofing Specialists. So Kelly, thank you so much for joining us today.
Glad to be here.
And it's so important in today's society to know who you're doing business with. So can you tell us a little bit about AFS?
Sure. AFS is the largest company in the Southeast that does foundation repair and waterproofing. It's an interesting story because Rachel and Ben Bayless, who started the company, started in their garage in Decatur, Alabama. And they grew from there to now we have over 100,000 customers under warranty. The cool thing is they didn't have a marketing budget. They just basically handed out flyers and used the Yellow Pages, if anybody knows what that is these days. So it's grew to what it is now. We have 5 offices serving 3 states.
And Kelly, they obviously have done a great job because word of mouth with little to no marketing to start a company, to have it grow is incredible. And I understand that AFS can repair or stabilize the foundation of homes and waterproof basements and crawl spaces. So with the heat that we're dealing with right now, how does that affect the foundation of a home?
There's several things that can affect a foundation. First of all, poorly compacted soils. When they build a home, if they pushed in backfill and not packed it well, it can cause issues. The other thing is saturated soils. With all the rain that we had, especially in February and the previous months, also those issues can affect soils in the foundation. But to answer your question about the heat, well, the heat dries out the soil when you have intense heat like we've had lately. So that causes the soil to shrink and swell, which your foundation is setting on those soils. So whatever affects them affects it.
And when you're looking at renovating a home, I know prices begin to add up. So the foundation is very important. How expensive is this, Kelly?
Well, it's really, I like to say it's more expensive not to do something. We like to say it's kind of like when you go to the doctor. You're often going not because maybe you have a problem, but you're looking to see if there are any issues that you might need to get an early catch on. So, for lack of better words, but so it's more expensive not to do something because something that starts out small could turn into a much larger issue over time.
Absolutely. So maybe before you redo a kitchen, look at the foundation and make sure that your money is well spent. So lastly, Kelly, how can our viewers get in touch with you?
The easiest way is at our website, afsrepair.com, and also we're on Facebook, so you can message us that way as well.
Well, thank you so much for being here today, Kelly, and be sure to find out more at afsrepair.com.